Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to verify a page on Notion. Ensuring accuracy and relevance within your wiki is made easy with page verification in Notion. Here's how you can verify a page to highlight its authenticity. If you own the page, follow these steps. Click on the page you own, then navigate to the verification section at the top. Choose whether you want to verify the page for a specific date or indefinitely. Then page owners will receive notifications to periodically re-verify the page. Finally, click Verify Page to confirm. Alternatively, if you are viewing from a database, click on the verification row of the page, then select the desired verification duration, specific time or indefinite, and click Verify Page. By verifying pages, you contribute to a reliable and accurate knowledge base, promoting trust and credibility within your wiki. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.